I lost 70 pounds many years ago naturally, and I feel better now in my 40s than I ever did in my 20s. But weight loss was not the biggest change that I experienced in my life. It was learning to eat real food. It was learning to respect and love my body, even while I worked on the things that I really wanted to change. My body responded naturally to the decisions I was making to honor my health and my life with good nutrition. I learned about the principles of calorie density and plate building, and I learned that I could eat large volumes of food for less calories and feel full and satisfied and not restricted. And I was able to literally eat more and weigh less. And this was absolutely life-changing for me. But more than that, my relationship with food healed, my relationship with my body healed, my relationship with the world healed. And I just feel so grateful to be in this body, even though I spent so many years hating it. And if I can tell you just one thing, it's don't waste time hating yourself, hating your body, no matter what it looks like. Honor yourself, learn to love yourself, and take care of yourself from that place.